Hello, when you come into the WordPress dashboard, on the left you'll see WooCommerce and below that Products. Click on Products and it will give you a list of all of the products that you have. If you want to change any one of them, just click directly on it. This is the title, and this section here is where you can, it's a description, it's like a Word document. You can put in anything you want. You can just click and start typing and it will be there. You can use bold, the other buttons up here. If you click this toolbar, you'll get a couple more options. If you want to add a picture, add media is how you would do that. Click add media. It'll ask you to upload a picture from your computer, or if you choose media library, these are pictures that have already been uploaded to the website. So if you want to use previous picture, there's there. Otherwise, click on upload file in order to select this, and then a pop-up will come asking what are the pictures on your computer. But if you scroll down, you'll get to this area for product data. Here's some important details. You have a regular price. You don't have to put it on a sale price if there's not a sale going, whether it's taxed or not. If you click on purchase notes, you can put a little note before somebody purchases it, allowing reviews from purchasers or not. Everything else is really, that's all you need, is just the price, at least for something simple. That if it had options like, say, size, small, medium, large, then we'd need to go more into the attributes. But as long as it's just a price, then all we need is a picture in the featured image, a description in the description, and a price. And everything else you can either just ignore or put in if you like. Then hit update, or if you're going to add a new product, this will be a publish button. But once you do, it will be on the site. You can click view product, go to that one particular product, make sure all your changes look the way that you like. There it is. So it's got an add to cart button. Back to the dashboard, click on WooCommerce and go to Settings. And then here we've got Texas, so that's good. You ship to all countries, that's up to you. It's in dollars, currency. Products are in pounds and inches. This is good. This is if you want to enable reviews for people who have purchased it and then want to write something on your site. If you go to checkout, this is where you can check to make sure you're getting paid. Scroll down a little bit and we've got payment gateways. All the ones with a check mark means that they're enabled. So we've got PayPal, someone can mail you a check or give you your bank information, well, their bank info, then do it that way. If you don't want any one of those, you just click on the settings button. There's an enable button. So for PayPal, it is on, and this is the email address that is getting paid to. If you wanted to change the direct transfer from billing, that's this. Just uncheck this and hit saves. And those are pretty much all of the WooCommerce options that you'll need to go through. You also asked how to change pages. So if you go to pages, this will give you a list of all of your current pages. Might be easier just to start with a brand new one. So I click add new up the top or add new over here, either way. So one difficulty is some of your site is built with this Visual Composer, but that Visual Composer requires a license. It's not a free thing, and there's updates for it. So So I think the reason that the home page is showing this code instead of the actual home page you're expecting is because the Visual Composer is out of date. So I wouldn't recommend using that anymore. But you can build the site just from using pages here. So if you wanted to make a test page, that's the title, and as before, this is just the main content area. So if you write words, bold them, italic, make them large, change the colors, all that. Basically, you should just use this to make your page look the way you want. I would try making a new home page since this is not going to work. If you wanted to upload a particular picture for it, you could just add media. Let's see if there's already one called banner. There's banner logo. Yeah, it looks like it's this one may be the only one called banner that's already uploaded. So if we insert that into page, now that I've got an image there, if I click on it, it'll give this little box. You can either use the pencil icon to go back and change things, such as do you want it to be aligned, what size should it be, and if it is clicked on, where will it go to? Media file means it's going to go to the big picture. If you want to go to a URL, like google.com, custom URL, just type it in. Another thing you can do is when you've got these boxes, if you want to make the picture a little smaller, you can click and drag on these, and that will make the image smaller. It's always better to go large and then shrink it to fit, as opposed to making it shrink a small picture and trying to enlarge it. But for now, I would say compose the home page and come play with building a page, look into products. Tell me what you have questions about, we'll go from there.